Hi everybody, and welcome to Jewell Family Farm. Today I'm going to do a really quick video, and this is how to make cucumbers with onions and vinegar and water and sugar. And it's just a little salad that you can make and keep it in your refrigerator and pull it out. You can use it on sandwiches like pickles, or we use it for like if we're going to make pinto beans or something, we put it on top of our pinto beans. But anyway, this is a quick little salad and I think you'll like it. Okay, so I just have a quart jar here. I've got one with a big mouth on it so you can stick your fork down in it and pull your pickle out, or your cucumber. And I just have you can use cucumbers out of your garden, or the little pickling cucumbers. I just happen to have one of these extra long cucumbers, burpless cucumbers. So I'm just gonna cut it up into just little medallions, and you can see they're about that thick. And you can put as much as you want. I'm probably going to only put about 3/4 of the jar full, because I want to fit some onions down in here. So you just get an onion, any kind of onion will work. I think I'm going to have to get another onion. My refrigerator is acting kind of wonky. This thing looks a little frozen, so let me get a different onion. All right. You can use any kind of onion. This is a Vidalia, and you can use a red onion, yellow onion, whatever kind of onion you have. You can use onions out of your garden. You can use little scallions. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to wash this off. All right, so I'm just going to cut it in thin little strips. I kind of like the circles to stay on it. I like to put it down in there in the circles, but you don't have to. You can cut it in half. You can do it however you want to. It doesn't really matter. I just pull them apart and stick them down in there like that. Just cram them as many as you can down in there. Try to get some down in the sides. Probably been best if I had layered it a little bit better. Put some of the let some of the cucumbers out. Let me redo this. All right. Now I'll put some onions down in, and then I'll put some cucumbers on top of that. And that'll work better, I think. My husband's mowing, so if you hear that, that's what he's doing out there. Just kind of cram them down in there. All right. As you can see, they're down there pretty tight. All right, to that, I want to add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And then you can use sugar. I'm going to use Splenda in mine, just because I don't want the extra sugar. So I'm going to use 1/4 cup of Splenda, and you can use 1/4 cup of sugar. Just put that on there. So I'm not sure how much water is going to fit in here, because I'm starting off with a cup of water. You just pour that in. You want this jar to be filled with liquid. All right, so you just put a lid on top. Just kind of shake it around a little bit to mix all the vinegar and the sugar and everything together. And then I like to add a little bit of salt and pepper to it, and then we're going to mix it all up again. Some salt in there and some pepper. You could put celery seed in here. I'm just going to do it this way today. This gives it a little bit of a different look, you know, when you put the pepper and celery seed and stuff in it, if you want to put that in there. And that's it. And so I'm just going to put this in my refrigerator. It needs to set in here at least for a good hour before you eat it, and it'll last in here for several weeks. Just make sure that you know, test your cucumbers. When they start getting soft, then you need to throw it out. But they'll stay good for quite a while in that vinegar. And that's just a quick little salad or cucumber pickle type thing. All right, hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.